Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can set up Zelle account on your device. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First thing, you need to open up your web browser, and then on the search box you need to type in the link, that is www.zellepay.com. You can also find this link on my description box below, and after you type in the link you'll be directed to the official site. So in order to create an account on Zelle, all you need to do is tap on get started in the top right, and on the other interface will be directed to the statement page, and right on this page you need to make sure to go through all of these following statements. And after that, next interface, you need to provide your contact information, so you can either provide your phone number or an email address. Once you do that, a verification code will be sent, and after that you need to type in the verification code, and once you do that, next interface will be asked to create a password. So after that, it will be directed to the terms and conditions, and after that you also need to mark on the little box icon located in the bottom left corner, and after that you've successfully created an account on Zelle. So that is how you can create an account on Zelle. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.